How to log in to Cash app with Cashtag. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. Starting off, launch a Cash app application. You will easily find it in your Play Store or App Store. Usually, to log into your Cash app, you need to enter your phone number or your email address. This is to verify your account, and it will also help in the time of your account recovery. Make sure that you are adding the phone or email address that you have access to it right now. You'll be sent with an OTP code as a confirmation code, whether in your email address or the phone number. Enter the confirmation code and tap on Next. Once you are verified, next step is to enter your zip code. Enter your area zip code, then select the Next button at the bottom. Select our Cashtag. Cashtag is the username for your Cash app. However, you will not be able to use a Cashtag as a method to log in to your Cash app, as it will rather require a phone number or your email address. The next step is to add a bank using your debit card. Enter the 16-digit card, then select Next. You can also skip this process if you do not want to link your debit card for now. And voila, you'll be able to log into your Cash app. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.